Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Did you know cooking dry beans at home saves you a lot of money compared to buying canned ones? It's true, and you gain complete control over your ingredients, avoiding extra sodium or mystery preservatives. Plus, the flavor and texture of freshly cooked beans are simply unmatched. They transform a simple meal into something truly special, elevating your everyday cooking. It's an easy switch that offers big rewards in your kitchen. Soaking your dry beans is a crucial first step that truly makes a difference. It drastically cuts down on cooking time and can help improve digestibility. First, rinse your beans thoroughly under cold water. Then, place them in a large bowl, covering generously with several inches of fresh water. You can let them soak overnight or use a quick soak method by boiling for 10 minutes and letting them sit for 1 hour. Always discard the soaking water before cooking. The secret to perfectly cooked, wonderfully creamy beans is a gentle simmer. After discarding the soaking water, add fresh water to your pot, making sure it covers the beans by about 2 to 3 inches. Bring them to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, allowing them to cook slowly. It's important not to add salt at this stage, as it can toughen the bean skins. You want those tender, melt-in-your-mouth results. For the very best texture, always wait to add salt and any acidic ingredients until your beans are fully cooked. You can, however, infuse flavor during the cooking process by adding aromatics like bay leaves, garlic cloves, or onion halves directly to the pot. Once the beans are tender, stir in your salt and consider a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. This brightens their flavor, making them truly delicious for any meal. Once your beans are perfectly cooked and seasoned, they store beautifully, making meal prep a breeze. You can refrigerate them in their cooking liquid for up to 5 days, ready to be added to salads, soups, or stews. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in airtight containers or bags. This way, you'll always have a healthy, versatile ingredient on hand, ready to elevate any dish whenever inspiration strikes. Enjoy your homemade beans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.